Today we're here at Fire Station 11 in Fairfax County putting together our annual toy bike distribution to kids here throughout Fairfax County. We have approximately 40 or 50 schools that will show up today that we will give gifts to so the kids would have something for the holidays. They step off the bus, a volunteer will greet them, escort them to pick up a couple of brand new toys. They'll also escort them over to the table to pick out a couple of brand new books. Then they'll visit Santa, and then we'll get them back on the bus, and then they'll return to school. I remember being one of those kids. My family, we didn't have a lot. This is a way for me and firefighters, police officers, sheriffs, public safety to give back. I like to say teamwork makes the dream work. As public safety personnel, we're out here 24/7, and we see the need. Every kid should wake up with a toy underneath the tree, and we just want to do everything we can to make sure that happens.